Introducing soluCLEAN. Eco-responsible and easy to apply, soluCLEAN comes in 3 product ranges: food safe, washroom, and general for multi-purpose hard surfaces. The soluCLEAN range has 4 product applications: toilet, surface, manual and machine floor, laundry and dishwash. The specially designed water-soluble sachets are eco-responsible and super simple to use. Once in water, each tab instantly starts to dissolve. The soluCLEAN surface cleaners come with a 100% recyclable bottle for life, which is made from 100% recycled content and can be used again and again. Which leads us onto our famous 4-step process: fill, add, shake, go. First, select the correct product for the job. You can use our handy wall chart or keycard to help. The colour icons will explain how each product is used: red for washroom areas, green for food safety areas, and blue for general areas. Step 1. Add the required amount of water to the bottle, bucket, or machine. Take your required sachet out of the pack. Be sure to reseal the pack before putting it away. Step 2. Add the sachet to the bottle, machine, or washer. Step 3. Shake, or mix the sachet with water until it is completely dissolved. Step 4. Go. Your soluCLEAN product is ready to use. soluCLEAN's toilet cleaner requires a thicker solution and takes 15 minutes to activate. You should also shake it before each use. soluCLEAN is very safe to use. Once diluted, there are 0 hazards under CLP regulations. Gloves are not required, but always follow your PPE requirements as instructed, or if handling a broken sachet. All of our products follow the BIC's colour coding system, making it easy to recognise which product is used for which surface or area. Remember, a wall chart is available to order to help ensure you use soluCLEAN correctly and safely. We also have an online training platform to support you. All of our sachets have a 3-year shelf life. Remember to keep them in a cool, dry environment. For more information, contact our customer support team or see our website for more information. soluCLEAN by Solupack.